The DeVilbiss 30525QC3 air filter and dryer is designed to significantly enhance the efficiency of compressed air systems, making it a great addition to any workshop. This air filter and dryer is particularly ideal for light usage, perfect for customizers, restorers, and low-volume shops looking to improve their productivity and product quality. One of the standout features of the DeVilbiss 30525 is its complete air control, ensuring that you get the best performance out of your compressed air system. With its universal fit, this air filter and dryer can be used in a variety of settings, providing flexibility and convenience. The compact dimensions of the DeVilbiss 30525, measuring approximately 11.684 centimeters in length, 33.782 centimeters in height, and 23.368 centimeters in width, make it easy to fit into any workspace. Manufactured by DeVilbiss, a reputable brand known for quality and reliability, this air filter and dryer is a dependable choice for enhancing your air filtration needs.